Okay, here's the swivel on it with the Concavex disc on it, and I'll show you how to put it on and prepare these handles. You can see how we've done it, and this is the older models with the flat thing, and you can do the same thing as well. So we'll start with this. First of all, here's the disc. Then what I did was punched it here, just here, drill the hole, same size as what the wagtail bolt is. I mean, after all, that's what's going in anyway. So now you get this, line it up, get a Sharpie or some sort of marking pen or pencil, and you just mark around like that. Then, well, we got a hacksaw that seems to cut okay. Now we got a wood rasp, and it seems to do the job pretty good. Get some material out of the way very quick. So now I'll turn it around the other way, because on the underside, when it's like this, it's very hard to close out. So what I do now is get the rasp. It's a half circle, and you use a rasp on the underside. That way when you're closing out, the end bit doesn't get in the road. And just make it, where it's the way you'd like it. So now here, just at the end here, I found it's a bit bulky on this particular one, so I just gave it a bit of a filing right at the end, as I said, so it doesn't interfere when you close out with the squeegee. So we just got a little bit of coarse sandpaper. It's actually off my belt sander. It's a very coarse, but it's good to sand this to clean everything up. Let's give it a bit of a clean. And there you have it, ready to go. So now you can see it with the older one, we've put a slot in the front of it so the disc could sit in it. So that's how you do that. And now we come to the disc. I found this disc had this rise, or I don't know, rise. I don't know why it's there. I think it's so the original wagtail where it was positioned, so it doesn't wear as well, because I think the older ones, they sort of wore through. So we got our wood rasp, and as you can see, this is the only way I could find to sort of get it out without sort of taking too much off if I used a machine or something. But this seemed to work quite well. Takes a little bit of time, but I mean, you know, you only have to do it a couple of times and you never have to do it after this. So that's that, and I'll just at that top bit sometimes, yeah, because I never got it, so just did that, and now you can see it's all even with the original disc. We got that sort of bump out of it, as you can see. Beautiful, nice, ready to put together. Okay, here we have it, and what I found is use a washer under here, on there, and all you do now, whoop, just put that in, put the Concavex disc in the slot like that, get the disc, grab your nut, hold it there, screw it on, and screw on reasonably tight, and so it doesn't flop around like that, and it will move okay. And well, I suppose that's about it.